To make a paper butterfly, you need a white sheet of paper, scissors and colored pencils. Fold the short side onto the long side and cut the remaining part to form a triangle. The two sides are exactly the same. Open your triangle and you have formed a square. Now fold it in half to form two diagonal lines. Now fold the diagonals to make a four-tipped star. Fold your star like this. Now it's a triangle. Fold your triangle in half to make it a smaller triangle with 4 layers. Cut the corners of the 4 layers to make them round. Open it and fold 2 wings like this. Turn it over. Transform your triangle into a butterfly. Watch the video, I can't explain. It's magic. And it's not flat. Now it's a 3D butterfly. Well, time to choose your favorite butterfly. Cabbage butterfly, holly blue, monarch butterfly. Decorate the wings and color. Have fun! Bye for now!